trade system, an idea that has taken us to great lengths. In fact, it took us to 193 kilometers, the length of the Suez Canal. The waterway's monumental opening paved the way to what became one of the world's most important trade routes, not only in its physical form, but also within the most elevated and digitalized of landscapes. Our outstanding monuments are the evidence of the greatness of our country and ancestors. Today, Egypt's history and its great legacy are displayed in a new state-of-the-art construction. That is the Grand Egyptian Museum, that perfectly combines contemporaneity with future, whilst showcasing the beauty and magnificence of our unique Pharaonic civilization that fascinated the world. In this insightful and aspirational space, you will learn a great deal about the life and death of the Golden Pharaoh. Right now, the future. New cities have always been a key factor in Egypt's development across time. Now, Egypt reaches the brightness and greatness of its very beginnings. The rise of new sustainable smart cities, Al-Galala, New Al-Alamein, and the complete, accomplished and efficient new capital. It has the Capital Park, one of the world's largest urban parks, as well as breathtaking skyscrapers. In addition to these new wonders, innovative transport systems will be at the heart of connecting cities across the country. A society where discovery and opportunity lead. A country with a forward-thinking ethos at the forefront of it all. Now, let me take your senses on an unforgettable journey.
思わせて